Purdue Pharma, they make OxyContin. They've agreed to pay the state of Oklahoma $275 million. Come on in, the man behind the settlement, Mike Hunter. He is the Attorney General for the state of Oklahoma. Mike, if these lawsuits force Purdue into bankruptcy, you won't get any money at all, will you?
Well, that was a careful consideration in our negotiations with Purdue Pharma. With our lawsuit pending on May 28th, Purdue filing bankruptcy in anticipation of that lawsuit threatened not only the lawsuit, but our ability to get anything out of the company. So after careful consideration and after hours of negotiation, we came up with a settlement that we think is good for the state, good for the country, establishing a national center for addiction treatment at Oklahoma State University in Tulsa. Made a whole lot of sense to us. We have a credit facility, irrevocable letters of credit, that we've established with a bank here in the state to ensure that the cash part of this settlement is secure going forward.
So you've got the money. I'm sorry, I didn't realize that, but you've got the money, and it's going to be used in the state of Oklahoma.
We've got the funding locked down, Stuart.
Are you going? Will all these lawsuits, will they force the end of OxyContin?
Well, part of our settlement and part of the consent decree is that Purdue Pharma is prohibited from promoting or marketing their analgesic opioids in the state of Oklahoma. As we all know, they're still relevant for acute care and palliative treatment, but with respect to acute treatment, they're not appropriate by and large. And the oversupply of drugs, the oversupply of opioids, pharmaceutical opioids, continues to be a problem in Oklahoma and other states. But as part of our lawsuit, we've mitigated that dramatically.
How are you going to fight for those people in the state of Oklahoma who do need opioids and maybe OxyContin? What are they going to do?
So there's a carve-out in our state's laws with respect to both palliative care, acute care after surgery, and then there's a subset of people for whom, based on their condition, there just aren't alternatives. So those drugs continue to be relevant and appropriate in those isolated situations. But the problem is prescribing opioids for acute pain and prescribing opioids in a way that doesn't take into account their addictive quality is a mistake and was a deception, a calculated deception that these companies, including Purdue, engaged in for a couple of decades.
Mr. Attorney General, that really does sound like a fair and balanced settlement. You'll get the money and people will get the drugs that they need. Good stuff, sir. Thank you very much for joining us, Mr. Hunter. We do appreciate it.
Thank you very much.